What happens when you attach a simple slice of apple to your plant? The answer may surprise you. Nature hides secrets in the most ordinary things, and sometimes a small experiment can bring out powerful results. Take one fresh apple. Slice off both ends and keep the thick middle section. This slice is packed with natural sugars, enzymes, and trace minerals that plants love. Place the slice gently against the trunk of your tree or a sturdy plant stem. Use soft thread, twine, or even a bit of garden tape to secure it in place, making sure it sits firmly without hurting the bark. Over time, the apple slice slowly breaks down, releasing its nutrients directly into the contact point. This not only feeds beneficial microbes but also encourages healthier bark tissue and can even attract helpful insects. The sweet scent draws nature closer, while the slow release of energy boosts your plant's natural vitality. Remember, it's not about feeding with chemical shortcuts, it's about partnering with nature's cycles. One simple slice of apple can awaken unseen forces in your garden. Try this, and you may never look at fruit the same way again. Give it a go, watch the changes, and let your plants tell you the story. Sometimes the smallest step leads to the greatest garden magic.